So my three top tips for any young agricultural entrepreneur would be, firstly, to plan well ahead. You need whatever diversification scheme you may be looking at. We just spent time talking about poultry, would be to assess all of the options that are available to you. Make sure you consider them thoroughly, look at the time effort that's needed, the financial information and the budgets and cash flow, and make sure it's right for your business. So yeah, my first bit of advice would be to plan ahead and make sure everything is considered. Secondly, following on from that, is to ensure that you start your planning process of your new enterprise at the earliest possible opportunity. There is a large number of hurdles that need to be overcome to gain successful planning consents, and the sooner you involve the appropriate professionals to address these, the better it will be to get your project up and running. And thirdly, a bit of a buzzword in agriculture at the moment is succession planning, and the diversification and the investment that your new enterprise may require will probably need considering in how the business continues and the succession planning through the generations. Those would be my three top tips for any young entrepreneur in agriculture.
Thank you.